Yo,
30 seconds to
Murdar, I'm
restart.
pushing
Good
straight
luck.
to
Have
this
fun,
rock
guys.
in front of us.
If we get to
Alright, 30
4
second
minutes
warning.
left and they still haven't forded us, I feel like we have a good chance that they won't ford us.
Hey, we have a good chance they won't ford us anyways.
As long as we're not quacked, we're not gonna get fucking lost in the last 3 minutes, man.
I don't know,
Damn,
dude. Full
bro.
respawn screen being longer than an actual respawn
What?
wave is crazy.
I'm new to healing, by the way, so
It's okay.
Okay, don't worry, I have on.
I'm new to calling
for it.
Yeah.
you too. You should
Alright, hey,
call
get
in
out, get
French.
aggressive, get out, get aggressive. Just listen
Okay.
for your group numbers. Group 7, just let me know if they're pushing A or
Respawn
not.
start
Right?
at 20 seconds.
Yeah, c'est comme ça, là.
They're fucking splitting.
Alright,
Yeah.
3-5. Hey,
Fucking
listen,
butt
give
cheeks on
A.
each side of your
3-5-7,
face.
stay B.
God
Everyone
damn
else
it.
go C. 3-5-7, stay B. Everyone else, you're going C. Everyone else, you're going C.
4, 3,
3, 5, and 7,
2,
just stay at B.
1.
No,
Spawns
banana
now.
split
Next
Squad
like
20.
DPS,
Lincoln
stay with
log
your
across
healers.
their
Everyone
fucking
else, you're coming
forehead.
C. Where the fuck are they?
They're
25 on A.
It's like
What
10
the-
seconds.
They're all at A.
They all in
delaying
A.
B. I think they're delaying
Nah,
B.
they're coming now.
They don't
How many
have
are they?
words
How many
like
are they?
that.
4,
There's only
Three,
like
2, 1. Spawns
I'm
now.
pulling
Next
them.
20.
How many are at A?
I think they're sending they did half zone. They might have sent people back to B.
There's like 20-25 on B. Alright, give me a group.
10 seconds.
6. Give me group 6 back to 6 back to B. Group 6 back to B.
5, 4, 3, 2.
You're gonna need 1 or 2 there too, Zom.
Spawns now. Next 20.
Points fucked right now.
3, 5, 7, and 6 should be on B. Fight on B.
There
Let's
is
go.
no.
Point team, rotate back to B. Point
There's
team,
one
rotate back to B.
stepping.
Point team, rotate
10
back to B.
seconds.
Rotate back to B.
Hate it here.
Rotate back to
These
B.
working conditions are fucking ridiculous.
Hey, if you're 3, 5,
5,
7,
4,
6, make sure you step
three,
the point. Step the point at
2,
B. Let's go. Step to top.
1.
Step to top of B.
Spawns
Top
now.
side of B. Top side of B. Look at
Let's take a top right.
Look at top left. Look at top left. They're all weak. They're all weak left side. They're all weak left side. Look, just get some kills over here.
I gotta
Get some
grab
kills over here.
point.
Here we go. Just spread out around B and get
10
some kills.
seconds.
Spread out around B and get some kills. We don't have to crash these yet. Get kills. Alright, C. Make sure if you're at C,
4,
you bring the fight to point.
2,
Deny ticket C.
1.
Deny ticket C.
Spawns now. Next 20.
Oh my god.
It should be 4, 8, 9, 10,
Heavy on
C.
B.
4, 8, 9, 10 should
Their
be
road
C.
is completely free.
Yeah, I'm on.
Alright, 4. Once there's
10
no more
seconds.
losers here, you can rotate back. So make sure you guys clear off these
Thicker
losers.
spot, right?
5, 4,
4, 8, 9, 10. Just clean up C and then rotate back to your
1.
default.
Spawns now. Next 20.
Alright, I got you. I'm gonna call a crash here in a second. They're not taking.
There's top
That's
center.
fine. That's fine. Just spread out. That's fine. We're gonna get a crash going. Just give me a
They're in
second.
our road pretty heavy.
10 seconds.
Come their road. Come their road.
They just sent a lot. They just sent our own. We're chilling.
5,
Yeah, we're gonna send our own. Give me a second.
3,
Hey, we're gonna go mid left in 5, mid left in 4, top
Spawns
left
now.
in 3,
Next
top
20.
left in 2, and top mid now. Top mid now. Top mid, top left. Top mid, top left. Top mid, top left. Top mid, top left. Alright, Zerg left and Zerg him down bot left. Zerg 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 down bot left. Group 4, you guys can rotate back to B if there's no more losers.
3, 2,
Double dinger.
1.
And then 8,
Spawns now.
hey,
Next
Quad
20.
GPS, make sure you rotate back as well. Hey, Group 8, make sure you come back. Group 8, Group 9, make sure you rotate back.
There are two.
Yeah,
Watch
I'll
watch
be
one. Watch
seven
one.
Look at Bonfire. Bonfire's a little crazy right now.
10 seconds.
Take it in, right?
Healers play smart. Quad DPS, make sure you're helping your lane first.
3,
Pillage, by the
2,
way.
Hey,
Yeah,
Group,
trying to
yeah, make sure you're
Bonfire.
matching the kill
Next
squad.
20.
You see matching, right? Play smart on point. Hey, if it's just
Simple,
Group
they're
10
right.
here, it's
They're right,
C.
still safe.
If it's just Group 10 here, it's
They're
C.
left.
Group 8, rotate. Group
Watch
9,
out.
rotate
I'll
back
get
to
out
B.
of there.
9, rotate back to B.
Got you,
Group 9, rotate back to B.
5, 4,
They're heavy mid left.
2,
Alright, hey, respawn.
They're good
Play
though,
smart
block.
coming out.
Bonus
Respawn, play smart
20.
coming out. Hey, start in our road. Clear our fucking road. Back to front. Alright, everybody on point. Get ready for a crash. You should have your debt. You should have some of your abilities. Give me a second
10
to save.
seconds.
We go bump in 5, bump in 4, bump in 3, bump in 2, everything. Bump in bot right, bump in bot right, bump in bot right, bump in bot right, bump in, bump in, bump in, bump in, bump in, bump in, bump
Yeah, I
in.
just shot
1.
everyone there.
Spawns
Now
now.
spread out, get
Next
some
20.
kills. Spread out towards top.
They're
Zerg
just
to
still
top left.
low.
Zerg to top left.
Point.
Zerg to left side. Zerg to left side. Everybody Zerg left. Everybody Zerg left. Hey, hey, 9, go back to C. 9, go back to C. What's going on?
Take a
10,
top
step
center.
on the
10
point.
seconds.
10, step on C. 9, rotate back to
see shit with
C.
these dog shit ass
8, 9,
amphibs.
rotate to C quick. 8, 9, rotate to C quick. Step on the
5,
point.
They're
8,
still
9,
heavy
rotate
mid
to
left
C.
here.
Group 4, rotate over here quick.
They're all going.
Group 4, rotate over here as
Spawns
well.
now.
Full
Next
They're all
push.
20.
going.
Yeah, they're all going.
No, don't come over here, point team. Oh, actually, yeah. 3, 5, 7, stay. Everyone else come C. 3, 5, 7, stay. Everyone else come C.
That guy
Hey,
got whirlwind.
look at this left side. Look at this left side of C. Look at this left side of C.
I think it was a different
5,
person.
3, 5, 7, stay. Everyone else should come.
Oh, do they?
2,
have
Take his bottom point.
1.
Sacred is
Spawns
top
now.
left.
Next 20.
Let's go. Point. Get here. Get here. Zerg left side. Zerg left side. Zerg left side of C. Left side of C. Left side of C.
top left.
Let's go. Get here quick.
Top 5.
We're gonna go top left 5. Top left 4.
10
Already
seconds.
dead. Top left. Go.
Bot
Top
right.
left.
Top center.
Bot mid now. Bot mid now. Bot mid. Bot mid. Bot right. Mid 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 right.
I'm
Two.
coming.
Top right.
1. Spawn sound.
All right,
Next
spread
20.
out now. Spread out now. Spread third bot left. Third bot left. Everybody's third bot left. Everybody's third bot left right now. Third bot left right now. Third bot left right now. Third bot left.
Holding mid left.
10 seconds.
Third is bottom. Third bottom right now. Everybody on point. Third bottom right now. Third bottom and C. Third bottom and C.
3, 2,
Spread left now. Spread left.
Take it
Spawn sound.
Look left
Spawn
side
to
of C.
now.
Look bot
28
left C.
seconds.
Bot left C. Look bot left C.
I have dead
Look
as
bot
well.
left C. Look bot left C. Point C. Come bottom. I know they just sent top. You guys come from
Down.
Where are they set?
Take it
Take him in left.
All right, listen, we're sending top. Hey, we're gonna reset. We're resetting mid left in 5, mid left in 4,
20
mid left in
seconds.
3.
I gotta grab
in
mid
2.
left,
Send mid left now, 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 mid left now.
Oh yeah, it's huge. Oh my
Now,
god.
spread out on the point, get killed. Spread out on the point, get killed. Look at bot right. Look bot
10
right at C. Look
seconds.
bot right at C. Look bot right at C.
Bot right. Yeah, it's weak. Bot right.
Hey, what's going on at B? What's going on at B?
Low key
You're just
first.
fighting.
They have people there though. They have people.
2, 1. Spawn sound. Next
All right,
28.
hey,
Some
group,
Griselda person is no king bot.
Take it bottom.
hey, group 6 rotate back to B. Group 6 rotate back to B. Should be 1, 2, 4
20
here.
seconds.
1, 2, 4 here. Group 6 rotate back to B.
Stopping.
Yeah, I'm grabbing mid left.
Hey, point team, clean this up. I'm going to B. Point team, clean this up and then rotate back.
Yeah, they're all
10
they're
seconds.
rotating.
All right,
will
8,
buy,
9, 8, 9,
Yeah,
10,
I'm
clean
buying
up C and
cleanse.
then rotate back. 8,
5,
9, 10, clean up C, then
4,
rotate back.
3.
Hey, we can't allow tick like that to get that
1.
high. If you need
Spawn
help over
sound.
there,
Next 28.
Jackson, you have to tell me. If you guys aren't
Rushing
fighting on
mid
point,
right. I gotta
you
grab
have to
mid
tell
right.
me.
I'm gonna look at right when I come through.
Take about center.
20
I'm on my
seconds.
way, B. I'm there. I'm
Bottom right,
guessing
I see something
bonfire.
I need
All
to
right,
go
everybody
for
look
that.
top. Hey, they're sitting top. They're sitting top. Hey, reset top left 3, top mid 2, send everything
10
top mid now. Top
seconds.
mid now. Top mid, top mid, top mid. Top mid, top mid, top mid, top mid. They didn't get out. They didn't get out. They didn't get out.
5.
Everyone's free.
Now everybody's third left. Everybody's third mid left. Everybody's third mid left. Third mid
Spawn
left.
sound.
Third. That means
Next
drop your
28.
assignment. Come mid left. Drop your assignment. Come mid left. Lay in this ball, bot left. Lay in this ball, bot left. All right, we're sending all
20
abilities.
seconds.
Bot mid in 5. All abilities. Bot mid in 4. All abilities. Mid right in 3. Mid right in 2. Send mid right now. Mid right. Mid right. Mid right. Mid right. Mid right. Mid right. All abilities. All abilities mid right. All abilities mid right.
10 seconds.
There we go. Good.
Take a top center.
Good. Spread out. Spread out. Get kills. Spread out. Get kills.
5.
Way too top
Spread out.
right.
Get kills. Spread out. Get kills. Hey, make sure we got feet on point, Bruiser.
1.
Don't go
Spawn
in the
sound.
road too hard.
Next
You're giving
28.
them free tick.
Some.
All right, hey, spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out.
Someone's
Spread out.
told me
20
it's
seconds.
right. Rush Andrew
Spread
as
out.
well.
Spread out.
Fresh Andrew, no tomb on mid right. Near
Left
bottom.
side is
I'm
free
ready.
cast.
I'm shocking
All
him.
their healers.
With these on look at left. We can
Take
just
a top
go
left.
10
Yeah, I'm
seconds.
going
All
left.
right,
I
hey,
have
we gotta
that.
make sure we got feet on
Alright,
point
so
here. Feet on point here. Why are they ticking? Why are they ticking?
They're looking at us.
4,
From left.
Plain life
3.
and road.
All right, listen, we're gonna go bot mid in 5.
Spawn sound.
Bot mid in
Next
4.
28.
Mid left.
Bot mid in
Top right.
3. Bot mid in 2.
mid
Send
left
bot
is
left now. Bot
Sending
left now.
us
Bot left.
in.
Bot left. Bot left. Bot left. Bot left. Bot left. Bot left.
20
Bot left. Bot left.
seconds.
Bot left. Bot left. Bot left.
Parla. Parla. Take a
Oh
spot
my
left.
God.
Spread out,
Bonfire,
spread out,
right?
spread out. Spread the
I'm
top,
just
spread it out.
feasting on these
Spread the
10
top, spread the
seconds.
top. Listen, keep your, if your main ball,
Right,
keep
they're
your
road
feet on
free.
point. Push top, push top,
Parla.
push top,
Yeah,
push
I'm
top,
pulling.
push
I'm
top.
gonna grab bot
Three.
left.
Push everything off top.
Okay, grab
Take
me, grab
a
me.
top one.
Spawn sound.
Road.
Next
There
28.
we go. Now we
Are you
look
now?
left. Look, everybody look left. Everybody look bot left. Everybody look bot left.
Run through
Bot left.
Take a
I
break.
got 2
Bot
seconds.
left.
mid left.
Got 2 seconds.
20
Bot
seconds.
left.
I have
Bot
that.
left.
Some.
Great testing.
Yep, there's
Sacred is top lock.
Sacred Dusty
All right, get ready to send your
10
abilities.
seconds.
Take a center flag.
Hey, everybody's Zerg left right now. Everybody's
Yeah,
Zerg this
I'm
left
still
side.
on there.
Zerg left side. Zerg left side.
5.
I got him. I got him.
turning on this vaccine.
2.
Sacred
Hey,
is
look,
top
top
lock.
left in 3. Top left in 2.
One,
Reset top left now.
28.
Reset top left. Reset top left.
Top
Top left.
third.
Top left. Top left. Top left. Top left. Top left.
Stink.
They
Take a
got
top
out. They
center.
got out. They got out. They got out. All right, hey, what's going on? Ted, Jack.
Some.
Okay, so fight. Break the fight to point and D-pick.
I'm on mid left. AB.
All right,
10
you guys are not
seconds.
winning the fight here. All right, 9, go to C. 9, go to C.
Driving mid left.
So weak mid left. Holy shit.
Brother, if there's 5 of them on
Top
point,
mid
you
right.
win it.
3.
Oh my god,
Take a
they're all
top
there.
center.
Out of that.
Yeah, 8, 9, 10.
28.
I had you, but
Yeah, all skill, hey, all
20
8, 9, 10,
seconds.
clear this off.
Take a top right.
bonfire, their road, and our road,
Mid
man.
right. I have everything on.
Say again.
Top mid right.
10
Well,
seconds.
we don't actually have a kill squad, bro. Like,
Tank.
5. 5,
Top, top right. They're fucking.
Three.
All right, hey,
Two.
everybody bring it in.
One.
Everybody bring it in on B. Step
Spawns
on B.
now.
Step on B.
Next
Step
28.
on B.
Just go to
Top
C,
right.
bro. This is good.
No, bro.
No. All main ball should be here.
They're all
If,
grouped up
if,
on
if
20
main ball's
seconds.
not here, only
Second
kill
group
squad
pump.
should be at C, right? Hey, main ball, bring it in. We're recrashing.
Thumb.
We're recrashing. Get ready to go. We're gonna go mid right in 5, mid right in 4, top right 3,
Top
top right
right.
2. Send everything mid right now. Mid right, mid right,
10
mid right, mid right, mid right,
seconds.
mid right, mid right, mid right, mid right.
Testing.
Everything.
Testing.
Come on, where's everybody at?
Five.
Why are you guys dead?
Because we got killed by the
Same, we need to go
crash.
C, bro.
Take a step right.
Spawns
Step
now.
right.
Next 28.
Go, everybody Zerg bot mid. Everybody Zerg bot mid right now. Zerg bot mid. Zerg bot mid. Go, Zerg.
20 seconds.
I have
Zerg.
that again.
Hey, 8, 9, 10, bring it back in.
Casting from top
Go,
left.
bring it
Six
up on
left.
the
Mid
point.
left.
Pull the top left. Pull the top left because their healer's gonna step.
coming
Pull
to
the
you
top left. Pull
guys.
the top left.
10
Pull the left.
seconds.
Everybody pull left. All right, give and go. Give and go. You guys gotta get kills, guys. You guys actually have to get kills. Just give and go to C.
Oh,
Come on. I need. If you're a main ball, that means you
1.
step on the point.
Spawns
Come on
now.
now.
Spawns are now 36 seconds.
I'll just cook in there.
Hey, I don't need bruisers in their road playing in their road. I need
No.
bruisers on point when the point is ticking.
Any healers
Clear
in the
off
chat?
C.
Murdaro, I see you.
Clear healers.
I'm so sorry. I
and
tried to
buy your
throw
clan.
things.
Buy your clans now.
20
Buy your clans
seconds.
now.
Group 4 has debt.
I don't care about Group 4 having debt right now. We're on the 1 point.
Fun
I
flowers.
Trying to
respect it.
calm,
I respect
bro.
I respect it.
10
I
seconds.
don't need to know that Group 4 has debt right now, though. Like,
5.
They're
Four,
heavy in their road right now. Oh, it's
two,
so fat up here.
all right,
One.
hey, Group 3 and
Spawns
4,
now.
look
Oh
our
my
road.
God.
3, 4, look our road. 3, 4,
Next.
look our road to
36.
start. 3, 4,
Oh, I
look our
just
road to start.
feasted on those people.
3, 4, look our road to start.
Going over.
Everybody else, 1, 2,
pushing
5,
hard,
6, look
ramps.
top
Our
left.
road
1,
is
2, 5,
already
6.
pillaged.
I'm getting whirlwinded on.
Healers
Center
are
flag.
free
All right, hey, let's not solo
20
that.
seconds.
Let's not solo that here. Hey, Matt, stick on point.
They're heavy
Stick on
top.
point.
They're heavy top.
Yeah, play top. Everybody should play top. Yep, they're sitting. It was a
10
terrible sin.
seconds.
All right, main ball. Listen for the crash ball.
Get me out of
Listen,
this.
listen. I need you guys to
Look at
pass
mid left.
appropriately. Listen, we're gonna go mid left in 5,
Four,
mid left in 4, mid left 3,
Three.
top left 2,
Alright.
top left now, top left, top left, top left, top left, top left,
36.
top left, top left. You gotta get kills. You gotta get kills.
Center.
Spread out.
Nothing
Spread
for
out.
one.
Spread out around the point. Get a kill. Call out a name in your micro and get a
Casting
kill.
top left.
Direction spawns
Call
15.
out a name and get a kill. Look at Grizzly
Bro.
Loki top mid. Grizzly Loki top mid is half health.
Oppo is
Take her mid right.
Oppo, what's going on? Alright, hey, listen, Group 4 step out into Oppo. Group 4 step out into Oppo. Group 4 step out into
Spawns
Oppo.
now. Next 36.
Group 4 step out into Oppo. We don't have a kill spot, bro. I can't
Oppo right.
Carla, play left. Go mid left, Carla.
Griselda got AB pretty heavy. No stam.
Hey,
Take her mid left.
Group 4, Group 6 step out to Oppo. Group 4,
20
Group 6 step out to
seconds.
Oppo.
With you.
4 and
Top left
6.
is free
1,
for now.
2,
Come on, someone call
1,
me
2, 3,
AB.
5, step left side. 1, 2, 3, 5, play hard left side. 4, 6, step out into Oppo.
Take a top center.
Drop
10
it.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab him in right as well.
Figure this out, right?
I got you.
5, 4,
They're sending. I don't have to do that, right? Alright, listen for the crash call. Main ball, bring it back in. 4, 6, bring it
Next
back in.
36.
Get ready for the crash call. We're gonna go bot left in 5, bot left in 4, bot left 3, bot left 2, bot mid now, bot mid.
I'm taking center road.
Bot mid. Get a kill. Come on, y'all. Now pull the top. Everybody
20
come to top.
seconds.
Come to top. Come to
Take a
top.
top right.
Come to top. Clear left, and then we'll go bond. Or clear bond, then we'll go off of them. Clear bond. Look top left. Look at top left.
Take your top off.
Everybody look top left. Everybody look top left.
10
Third to
seconds.
this left side. Good. They're resetting. 4, 6, full clear Oppo. 4 and 6, full clear Oppo. 4, 6,
grabbing top left.
full clear Oppo. Full clear Oppo. Full clear Oppo.
One.
Full clear Oppo.
Spawns now. Next 36.
Look at these people leaving Oppo. Look at these people leaving Oppo. Hey, 4 and 6, push into their road and get some of these guys that are in their Oppo.
Cleansing. Flooding.
20 seconds.
I'm looking in Oppo.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm
Fully
Oh, they're
reset
good.
them. Fully
They're
reset
fine.
them. Fully reset them.
Talking top one. I'm gonna get off of this.
Yeah, grab AB.
10 seconds.
Alright, alright, bring it back in. Main ball. Bring it back in, main ball. Look left side. Everybody should be looking left side. Look left side. Look left side. Stay in it, bot left. Stay in it, bot left.
Next 36.
Stay in this spot left. Stay in this spot left. Don't get dragged to right. Don't get dragged to right. Stay in it left side. Look at Prue, mid left.
He's
Look
in
at Prue, mid
a
left.
Figure mid left.
Drew Windu mid left. Look at Nerd mid left.
Figure
Look at
yourself
people
out.
mid left. I guarantee you guys can kill these people without
I'm on
crashing.
crew, I'm on
seconds.
crew. Oh, it's huge.
Play smart.
Crew's still weak.
They're made of fucking Charmin. Let's go.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Carla.
10
Crews are only weak mid left. No
Take her
stam.
bot center.
Garbage mid left, garbage mid left.
Alright, they stand, spread out. That's the free crash.
I'm on
God damn,
cooldown.
y'all have to spread. Y'all
Spawn
have to
sent.
spread.
Next 36.
Listen for it. We're gonna go bot right in 5, bot right in 4, bot right 3. I need everybody getting here. Bot right 2, mid right now, mid right, bot right, mid right, bot right, bot mid.
Get
Guys,
off
gotta start-
these fucking fans.
Alright, pull left. Everybody pull
20
top left now.
seconds.
Everybody Zerg top left. Everybody
They
Zerg
have
left.
light
Everybody
trade
Zerg mid left.
swords,
Zerg
bro.
mid left.
Yeah, we need a Zerg mid left hard.
Zerg mid left.
grabbing
Zerg
mid
mid left
left
hard. Setting all your abilities. Whatever abilities you have,
10
mid left in
seconds.
3. All your abilities mid left in 2. Actually, yeah, all your abilities top left now. All your abilities top left. 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 Top left. Top left. Top left. Top left.
Spawn sent.
Guys,
Papa
Next
left.
Top
36.
left. Top left. Top left. Top left. Stay in the left side. Stay in the left side. Get a kill. Call it a name. Get a kill. Call it a name.
Take a
Get a
step
kill.
left.
Carla. Popping into soon.
Look at bot left. Look at bot left. Hey.
They have 0 tick right now.
I know. Hey, I know.
20
Step off,
seconds.
they will. Hey,
Careful from the road.
4 and 6, look at Oppo again. 4 6, start to look Oppo again. 4 6, start to look Oppo again. Hey, 8 9 10.
Grabbing bottom point.
Losing your lane. You have to cross to me.
10 seconds,
Right?
followed by a short
Don't
reset.
just lose and then don't say shit. Yep, I see they crash. I see they crash.
Three.
They're gonna
Hey,
flag
you guys
me.
gotta spread out, right?
Spawn
Spread out.
sent.
Spread out. Monster's hit. If you died, come in. Everybody
Short
pass
reset.
towards the
Next
top.
3.
I want everybody
2,
playing.
Look at that,
Listen,
right?
everybody
Spawns are
serve.
now 44
Only abilities,
seconds.
no deaths. Only abilities, no deaths. Bot left 5, bot left 4, bot
I'm
left
in the
3,
road.
bot mid 2, bot mid now, bot mid abilities only, abilities only, abilities only, abilities only.
Ready spawn mid.
We got HMB.
30
left.
seconds.
Alright, we're gonna give it 5 seconds and we're gonna send death. Give it 5 seconds and we're
Give
gonna
mid
send death.
left. Look at
Mid
top
left in 5,
Take a
mid
center
left
flag,
in 4,
pop it.
everything bot left 3, bot left 2, send everything bot left now, bot left death, bot left
20
death, bot left death,
seconds.
bot
Their
left death,
road's
bot
free.
left death.
Need to deal.
Spread out around the point. Spread out around the point. Get kills. Spread out around the point. Get kills. Spread out around the point. Get kills. Call a name out in your micros. Call out a
10
name in your
seconds.
micros. Call out a name in your micros. Get a kill.
5,
We need a fucking declump and getting body blocked by 20 people.
1.
Hey, we gotta
Spawn
keep feet
sent.
on point here.
Next
Keep feet on
44.
point here. Hey, kill squad. You guys start
Right.
winning something. I can't keep sending bruisers off to win your lanes.
Thank
Fuck yes. What? Talk to me.
30 seconds.
Take a bar right.
Alright, play towards top. Play towards top. Play towards top. Time. Get out of bottom. Play towards top. Get out of bottom. Play towards top.
I'm gonna grab
20
top
seconds.
left.
Hey, respawn. Respawn. Come in. Come top side with us.
I think I just
Remember, play with blues right now. Play with blues. Play with blues.
Plan
I'm
life.
right,
Plan
yeah.
life.
Play with blues. If you guys are playing by
10
yourself,
seconds.
you're gonna die. Listen, we're
Take a
gonna
center
go bot
flag.
right 5. Send all your shit. Bot right 4. Bot
5,
mid 3. Bot mid 2. Send everything bot mid. Bot mid. Bot mid. Bot mid. Bot mid. Bot mid. Bot left. Bot left. Bot left.
Spawn
Bot left.
sent.
Bot left.
Next 44.
Spread out now. Spread out. Get a kill. 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 Spread the top. Get a kill. Spread the top. Get a kill. Spread the top. Get a kill.
Take him in left.
Block nails leave top.
Papa road.
30
All
seconds.
right, everybody start top left 3. Start top left 2. Everybody start left side now. Left mid. 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 Dusty. Left mid. Dusty. Left mid.
20 seconds.
Now look bot left. Now everybody bring this third bot left. Bring this third bot left. Bring this third bot left. Bring this third bot left.
10 seconds.
Call out a name,
Take a
guys.
step
Call out
back.
names in your micro. Call out who you're on. So we know who you're killing.
4, 3,
That's fine.
1.
Top
Spawn
left.
sent. Next
Hey,
44.
Sydney Ann is perma stamp left side.
Semi far. Right
Sydney
side.
Ann is perma stamp left
They're
side.
crashing bottom, I think.
Take us top center.
Hey, all one
30
DPS
seconds.
help Hopper right now. All one DPS help Hopper right now.
Yeah, I've been trying to get healers off top mid.
Alright, this is the crash call. We're gonna go bot left 5, bot left 4,
20
bot left
seconds.
3, bot mid 2, send everything bot mid, bot right, bot mid, bot right, mid 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 right.
Papa right.
Alright, they're getting out of that really quickly. They're getting out of that really
10
quickly.
seconds.
Play smart, play
Top
smart,
right
play
still
smart.
weak here.
Everybody pull the top. Get out of bottom, pull top. Get out of bottom, pull top. Get out of bottom, pull top. Hey, we're gonna top left
1.
3.
Spawn
Third
sent.
mid left
Next
2.
44.
We can't heal
Everything mid
point
left,
because
everything mid
it's
left, top left,
shit
mid left,
so
top left, mid left, top left, mid left, top left.
awful.
Mid left, top left, on the
Our
flag, on the flag left, on the flag left.
Papa right. Papa right.
On the flag left, on the flag left, on the flag left.
Taker's on. You don't know where you are.
Zerg this left side, Zerg this left side, Zerg left side, Zerg
30
top left.
seconds.
Look at Big Floopy mid left, Big Floopy mid left.
I should just trade
I'm
healers
top right.
then, Loki.
You see us.
Yeah, hey, healers, trade roads. Healers,
Papa
trade
left.
roads.
Clap.
Yeah, spread,
Just
spread,
run
spread.
it there.
Taker's on tank. Center flag.
Harvey, Harvey, Harvey.
Plan life.
Alright, hey, I need my main ball on point so I can see where to go. Their
Bye,
tank
Mike.
is top mid. Their tank is top mid. Listen, we're gonna go bot left in 5, bot left in
10
4,
seconds.
bot Bot left 3, mid left 2, everything, mid left, top left now, mid left, top left, mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left, get a kill, 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 get a kill. Boom.
Liquidate that
Sponsor.
ball.
It's 44.
Have to spread immediately. We gotta force a reset here. Now everybody Zerg left, everybody Zerg left, hard Zerg left,
Pick up
hard
flat,
Zerg left.
mid left, mid left.
Hard Zerg left, hard Zerg left, hard Zerg left, hard Zerg left, hard Zerg left.
30 seconds.
Hey,
They're
group 4
resetting.
and 6, step out into Oppo. Group 4 and 6, step out into Oppo. 4 and 6, step out into Oppo.
We should just send
20
Kill Squad to run
seconds.
at healers if they're gonna.
I need to
They can't
rebuff.
win anything.
Say again. Yeah, but the problem is our healers are gonna die a lot more.
10 seconds.
They're already dying perpetually, so we gotta try to stem that.
5, 4, 3.
These
Hey,
healers are just free low.
One.
Clear out bot left. 3 and 4, clear out bot left.
It's 44.
Alright, hey, listen, and being Impala, here's what I need you guys. And being Impala on this next push, I need you guys just play hard top
30
left.
seconds.
Okay, yeah, we've just been perma oppo like the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, I figured. Hey, just hard go top left into their healer pocket, just make it unlivable. Take all those quad DPS there. All quad DPS, I want you guys top
20
left on this next push.
Take a mid left.
Go through our road if you have to.
They
They're
already.
pulling an Oppo so heavy
Bottom
right
left,
now.
bottom left, bottom left.
10
Yeah,
seconds.
healers play towards bonfire for a second. Healers play towards bonfire. I'm sending all quad DPS
I got a
top
grab
left.
left.
I'm
5,
sending all quad
4,
DPS top left.
3, 2,
These are great.
Just save that
sponsor.
Oppo push.
Sponsor now 52 seconds.
Alright, listen for the crash call. Listen for the crash call. Play to your defaults right now. Play to your defaults. Play to your defaults. Play to your defaults. Spread out. Don't give them anything to crash. Make sure we got feet on the point.
I
Feet on
just
the
saw
point.
someone
Hard
cast a
person
beacon.
top healer. Terrible.
Take a center flag.
Yep, spread out now. Hey, I'm gonna have to send a
I
crash.
send the road. The road's pretty free right now.
Spread.
30 seconds.
Alright, bad crash. Listen for it. Listen for it. Alright, we lost a couple people there. We got a lost a couple people there. Listen.
Carla on the
We're gonna go
road.
top left
Casting
5.
now.
Top
Take that from you.
4. Top right at
20
3.
seconds.
Mid right at 2. Send mid top right now. Mid right top right. 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 Good. Now everybody third butt left. Everybody third butt left. Everybody third
10
butt left.
seconds.
Everybody third butt left. Third. Stop your play. Don't play your assignment. Come butt left with me.
5,
Come butt left with me.
4,
Come butt left. I'm here with you guys.
2,
Come
1.
butt left. Come butt left. Come
Sponsor.
butt left.
Yeah, their Oppo got
50
wiped.
seconds.
Their Oppo got wiped. Hurt. Hey, get aggressive in Oppo then. Get aggressive in Oppo.
Fucking fuck.
Yep.
Stepping top left.
Bot left. Hey, bot left needs a little love.
Take a mid left.
Needs a little love.
Glow sticks
Hey,
one
group,
shot
listen,
top to here.
listen, points not really ticking. Group 3, step off and push into the top. Group 3, push off into top left.
30 seconds.
Gotta make sure our tank lives. Once our tank lives, get a crash. Top left in 5, top left in
Take a
4,
sub center.
top mid in 3,
Center
top
flag.
left in 2. So everything mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left,
20
mid left,
seconds.
mid left, mid left, mid left, mid left.
Yeah.
Good. Both of their tanks are getting fucking shit on right here. Their tank just left the point completely. Their tank just left the point completely.
10
Everybody
seconds.
Zerg mid left. Everybody Zerg mid left. Zerg mid left now. Zerg mid left. Zerg mid left. Zerg mid left. Zerg mid left. Zerg mid left.
5, 4,
They completely
3,
have Oppo,
2,
our road.
1.
They
We
have
can
Oppo
cut their
now? How
road.
It's
did we go
50
from winning
seconds.
Oppo to losing Oppo? What the fuck? Hey, 3 and 4 step into our road. 3, 4 clear our road real quick.
We went top left, so we probably lost now.
Yeah, I got you. 3, 4 clear our road. 3, 4 clear our road. Listen, 3 and 4.
40 seconds.
Only 3 and 4 you can solo debt in this fucking kill squad fight right now. 3 and 4 full clear into Oppo. 3 and 4 full clear into Oppo. Damn,
30
they just
seconds.
bolted into Oppo. All right, well, they
Pick up
bolted
left.
into Oppo. All right, they're gonna be coming back in. Hey, we're gonna go bot mid in 5, bot left in 4, bot mid 3, bot left
Yeah,
2.
they're
Everything bot left now. Everything bot left. 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 Show up. Show up. Show up. Show up. Now spread the top. Go to 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 top.
10 seconds.
Go to top. Go to top left. Go to top left. Everybody plays the top left right now. Play top left. Get out of bot right. True dank tank. Play
1.
this top left. There you
Sponsor.
go. Good, good,
It's
good, good.
50 seconds.
All right, listen. We're only setting abilities right now. I don't care if you have your debt and you didn't use it yet. Save it. We're gonna go bot right in 5, bot mid in 4, bot left 3, bot left 2. Catch all these weeks. Bot mid. Catch all these weeks. Bot mid. Bot mid. 50-50. 50-50. We're not rented. They are. We're not rented. They are. Now reset your debts. Bot left 3. Bot left 2.
30 seconds.
Reset your debts left now. Debt left.
Dude,
Debt
I'm
left.
just
Debt
gonna
left.
die
Debt
of
left. Debt left. Debt left. Stay in this left side third. Stay in this
20
left side third.
seconds.
You're safe in blues right now. Stay with blues. You're safe in blues. You're safe with blues. You're safe with blues. Play left heavy. Play left heavy.
Oh, now they're on me, Carla. Thanks.
10 seconds. 5,
Yeah, mid
Spawns now.
Yeah,
Next
point
50
team, you guys.
seconds.
Point team, you guys. All right, that's a full reset. Hey, 4-6, full clear Oppo. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, 4-6, full clear Oppo. 1, 2, 3, 5. Push into them at bomb. Push into them at bomb.
40 seconds.
You are by
Hey,
yourself.
4-6, get
main
in the
ball
road. 4-6,
differential
get in this
going on
road.
here.
4-6, get in this road. Catch some of these kill squad players. There's a little shitty BGIG named Fresh Andrew that just spammed himself out in fucking their
30
road, right?
seconds.
Beat his ass.
Fresh Andrew, guys.
I don't know if this kill squad knows. I will send a
20
crash on
seconds.
myself. I will literally crash on myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, go ahead, 4-6. Learn that for a second.
Probably
That complies just a little bit. Point team, start working your way back into point.
10 seconds.
Pull it back.
Playmaker is weak top.
Yeah, they're gonna get a crash on us, and they're gonna get a couple
5,
kills if point team doesn't
4,
get here.
Yeah, come back, come back.
2.
I know. Make sure we're stepping point. Make sure we're
Spawns
stepping point.
now.
Hey, play
These
top
ones are
left right
now
now.
1
Play
minute.
top left. Play top mid, top left. Play top mid, top left. Six in, hold.
Three top left.
Listen, only abilities. Only abilities. There's Tangus spot left, so we're gonna go somewhere else. There's
45.
Tangus spot left, so we're going somewhere else, right?
Healers are
I'm playing life
We're gonna
minutes.
go on the flag in 5, on the flag in 4, top mid 3, top mid 2, and everything top mid, top right, top mid, top right, top mid, top right, top mid, top right.
30
Look at their
seconds.
tank. Their tank is top by himself. He's weak. Half health. Beat his ass. Top left. Stitch in. Look, yep. That's their tank. Boom. Look at Soko B2. They're rogue. Soko
Donner,
B2.
he might
They're
be a
rogue.
place to play. Oppa's lost and Bonfire lost.
I mean, the point's completely clear. Play on the point if you're a healer. It's free.
top is free. Yeah.
10 seconds.
Top right should be relatively okay. They're full resetting again.
5,
Hey, everybody,
4,
listen. All your
3,
abilities, bonfire
2,
3. All your abilities,
1.
bonfire 2. Sit all your
Spawns
abilities, bonfire now.
Next
All
1
your
minute.
abilities, bonfire. Just abilities, bonfire. All your abilities, bonfire. Whatever you have. Get a kill. There we go. Get a kill. Don't let him walk back in for free. Make sure you fucking punish him. Look where Dusty's at. Past bonfire. Get up in there.
Spawns
Get up in there.
45.
Help
Oh my
Dusty
god.
out.
You are
Help Dusty
far.
out. Here we go. Listen. Don't let him reset without casualties. Hey, 8, 9, 10. Let's get Oppo under control while we have time. Squad DPS, you guys can help in Oppo real quick.
Beautiful.
Oppo can get fully reset right here.
30 seconds.
We're trying to walk in top
Herb.
down here.
Alright, hey, start walking it back in then. Walk it back in. Healers, play smart, right? Don't get caught in a
Thompson,
fucking grab
20.
here on this re-push in.
Three mid left.
I see that.
They're sending it. No, never mind. Stefan Diggs solo deaded. Never mind.
Thank you.
10 seconds.
Oh,
Alright, Stefan Diggs baited here and there. Alright, we're gonna go bot mid 5, bot mid 4, bot left 3, bot left 2, everything, bot mid, bot left, bot mid, bot left, bot mid, bot mid, bot mid, bot mid, bot mid, bot mid, bot mid. And then spread the top, spread the top.
Their healers are all free stepping top right now.
Heard, everybody shove top left right now. Shove top left, shove top left,
we lost a
shove top.
lot in that.
Yeah, that didn't last long.
They lost like 4 healers to 2 bruisers.
Heard,
Value.
heard, they're losing a lot of
40
healers I'm
seconds.
hearing. Hey, just press the advantage top. Press the advantage top. Get out of bottom. Get out of bottom. Get out of bottom. All you guys. Get out of bottom. Pull top left.
I've been
Get out of bottom.
dogging
Pull
the
top
shit out of
left.
that guy.
Get out of bottom. Pull
30
top left. Pull top left.
I just sent him all the way
Pull left.
around
Pull
the
left.
point
Pull
only
left.
for him.
Hey, we're sending all your abilities left side in 3. All your abilities top left in 2s, and all your abilities mid left now. Mid left now abilities. Mid left now abilities.
20
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that value. Look at that value. Look at that value. All right, now spread out around the point. Get a kill. Call a name out. Look at fucking Bruiser only. Look at Soko B2. Look at Black
10
Nail.
seconds.
Look at these people. Look at mid right. Look at Fresh Andrew. Mid right. Fresh Andrew. He's void blading. He's void blading mid right into
5,
Oppo.
4, 3,
Hey, 4-6, step off into Oppo.
Oh.
4-6, step into Oppo.
Next 1 minute.
4-6, come into Oppo. 4-6, come clear Oppo. There we go. There we go. Point team can help out too. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeet.
Force a fucking full send. There we go. Good. One last respawn. One last respawn. If you guys die, if you die after this next
Spawns
respawn, you're
45.
on war forever.
No! I'm crashing. Oh, son of a bitch, what the hell?
Wait,
Spawns in
is someone
20.
stuck in a keg?
No, I'm trying to put a keg down. They keep fucking hitting me.
Yeah, have you seen that?
All right, listen. Go mid right in 5, mid right in 4,
Final
mid right
respawn
3,
in 10
mid right
seconds.
2, and mid right now, mid right top right, mid right top right, mid right top right, mid right top right, 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 top right.
Grab y'all.
3, 2.
Good. Now spread out around the
One.
point. Just finish them
Spawns
off.
now. No more
Finish 'em off.
respawns.
Let's go. Spit on that. And let's go. Finish them off.
Just hit a large AB on top mid.
Holy
moving to
fuck.
Left.
I just crashed. Oh, back,
I just
yay.
ate that guy's grab. Love that.
All right.
I have Dedo.
All right. Point team has Ditto. Everybody else, just get ready for it. As soon as I come back to the point, I'll call it.
Take
We got
our
30
bomb off.
seconds. We're gonna go left side in 5, left side in 4, bot left in 3. Everything you have, bot left in 2. Everything you have, bot left now, bot left now, bot left now, bot left, 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 left. Left,
Oh, I
left, left,
killed
left,
all
left,
of
left, left, left. Now spread out, spread into Oppo, spread into our road. Get kills on our road, get kills on our road, get kills on our road. Fuck the point. The point doesn't matter anymore. Zerg our road,
GG, we
Zerg our
did it.
road, Zerg our road, Zerg our road.
Cats won a war.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get a kill,
Let's
get a kill,
go.
get a kill, get a kill, get a kill.
Drew Windows
person's
on
name is
point.
Kitten.
Please
I'm the
die.
Oh, that's their
You
AoE.
think you're
Kill
the
'em.
king? I'm the king.
They're gapping me.
They're happy. It's because their team's getting shit on.
Yeah, they got me hard.
Well,
Yeah,
28,
that's-
23,
that's
19.
That's Simpson.
Fucking rat bastard.
They got me by 900k.
That's crazy.
Bro, our own army body blocks me in these crashes. It's actually insane.
Yeah.
Hi, Boonters. Yo, KK, thank you for the biddies.
Oh,
Alright,
Dusty, we're
GGs,
number 3 and
everybody.
4. That's so
your bud.
cute.
That's
Cute.
good.
Wait, how close did I
healing.
get? Fuck,
Yeah, I
you
like
had
that
me.
healing.
Yeah, it was a bit bad for you guys in group 2, my bad.
Nah, I was dying in crashes.
Heard
So.
our
I just
audition
kept getting
last
body
Not
week.
your
blocked. I
fault.
couldn't run out of there.
Yeah, I could not declump to save my life.
I was getting aim
lesson
locked
to the
by
kill squad.
BB by 2 BBs at one point and 1 hatchet, great sword. They're talented. So,
Yeah, healer should have perma-flipped roads, I'm not gonna lie.
We
I mean,
did,
I
so,
we did so many times.
but they
bro.
had 2 or 3 BBs just permit in their road too.
Okay.
And Oppo like losing our road fucked bonfire.
Yeah, it was all fucked outside of the point, I know.
Trying to
And
help.
yeah, like Zom said, the safest place to cast was sometimes on the, like in the crashes. It's crazy.
You love that.
Try to help
Yeah.
Oppo once at the end, and my game crashed. So
That'll teach you.
I know,
3-year-old
right?
game,
It's
by
like
the
we
way.
That'll
cleared him out, and
teach
he's
you.
like, "Get kills." I'm like, "All right, I'll go help these guys,"
Jesus.
and my shit crashed.
Wonderful. All right, I'm going home, boys. It was fun.
All right.
GG's.
Enjoy,
Have fun.
brother.
User disconnected from your channel. User disconnected from your channel. User disconnected from your channel. Disconnected.